It's and welcome back to my channel, and today is another vlog. I'm currently doing a vlogmas, even though I technically only do weekly vlogmas, but today is the 10th of October. It's Friday and I just had a lot of footage for this week, so I decided to start a new vlog, and I'm starting this as there is a snowstorm outside. For those who don't know, I am paralyzed in a wheelchair, and my other wheelchair that I use for outside doesn't do snow because it has how do you call that? A motor? So it's basically electric, but it doesn't do snow. I cannot go in the snow. So I'm a little freaked out because in an hour and a half I need to be in class. I hate this so much, but that's fine. I'm gonna be positive and it's gonna be all good. I'm just gonna put you guys down because I'm gonna do the advent calendar. So let's do the advent calendar for today. It is currently 8:15 in the morning and we're on the 10th. So let's see where it is. Crap pack. Oh, it's here. It was a hard one to find. Just a regular tiny chocolate bowl, which is going to be super cool. I love those. They're my favorites. Oh my gosh, I keep looking outside to pray that the snow is not here anymore and it doesn't go away. So yeah. Also, I decided to start this new vlog because this morning, right when I woke up, I was starting to feel like pre-paralysis attack symptoms, which is something that I had on Tuesday. I had a paralysis attack, which means that my whole body paralyzed for no reason. And this morning I was feeling a few of those symptoms, so I'm on my watch. I was vlogging anyways, but I decided to start a new vlog just in case I had a lot more footage to add to this vlog. Oh my gosh, it's not stopping. But yeah, that's basically what's going on right now. I'm going to class for 3 hours this morning, so from 10 to 1. And I have a redaction day. I have to write an essay in class. Not really my favorite thing to do, but might as well do it. And it's basically the last 2 hours that we can write it. So hopefully it's gonna go well, because the last time I went to do that, that's when I started having the symptoms of paralysis. And I couldn't really concentrate on my work because I was fighting to not be paralyzed in class. So I'm gonna see what I wrote today. Read myself for the first time since that happened. So I'm a little scared of what I might have written. So we shall see if I did a big mess or not. But right now I'm just gonna get ready, do my hair and all of that, and I will catch up with you guys later.
It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night underneath the mistletoe, and I've gotten you a present.
Hi, so a surprising thing happened. My taxi company, which is supposed to take me to school every morning, called. They cannot take me to school. There's too much snow, sorry for that. I don't know where it came from, but basically it was not supposed to snow this much, and there is a billion road accidents. Like, they saw buses upside down, trucks in each other, and just a bajillion accidents everywhere. So they cannot take me to school. That's not what was supposed to happen. And I'm like, oh my gosh, what the hell am I gonna do? But yeah, that's just life, I guess. Great news, I have a day to myself now. But yeah, it's a little bit weird. I wasn't expecting that today, but I guess it's a good thing. I just wasn't expecting that because I had a test today that I need to do. So I did email my teacher and I was like, yeah, that's kind of out of my control. I cannot decide the weather, and plus my wheelchair doesn't go on water. Yeah, it's technically water, but on snow. So yeah, I'm not happy. So a day stuck inside for me. I'm gonna do the most of it. Hi, so it's been a little while. I think in the last clip I said that I wasn't going to school, which is still the case. I'm at home. The snow hasn't stopped. It's scary how much snow there is right now, but it is 1 to 11. So it's almost the time for the test that I had, and I emailed my teacher saying like, hey, I don't have any way to come to school right now and I have the test, and she said like, oh, it's okay, just do it from home. Basically it's like a redaction, yeah, it's dissertation actually, and I was doing it on my iPad anyways at school. So I'm gonna be continuing here because I have everything I need to do that. So I'm starting in 5 minutes because that's when the class starts, and then I'm gonna be working all the way through to the end of the class, except if I finish early obviously, but I'm gonna be working all the way through the end, and hopefully I will be able to finish on time, but I don't think that's gonna be a problem. The only thing is I can get distracted by the snow because I have ADHD and I love looking at snow falling. It's like so much fun for me. But yeah, I'm just gonna, I kind of set up my desk already. I have my iPad, I have my computer which I need to shut down. Well, not shut down, like not have it on. And oh, the camera looks weird. But yeah, I think that's pretty much it. I'm gonna try to record like a little time lapse of me working. I'm not sure how this is gonna go, but I'm gonna try just to put me in a serious vibe. And yeah, that's what I'm gonna do now, and I will see you guys when I'm done. Saturday. I'm not feeling my best today. I'm kind of tired, not really. I don't feel like myself. I don't know, just so tired. But I wanted to give like an update because yesterday I filmed my test and then I didn't record anything else. Basically because my camera ran out of battery, and by the time it was charged I just had no motivation to do anything. So yeah, it's been fun. But my test went well. I finished, and then by that time it was raining, so I didn't get to go outside. My mom said that she would take me outside if it stopped snowing, but it was raining, so I never got the chance to go outside. And then the afternoon I just was pretty calm. I was tired for no reason. And then I had my left hand slightly, not paralyzed, but slightly weak. So maybe I was right not to go to school, because I don't know, I feel like the more I try to fight, the worse it gets. So thankfully that didn't go too far. I was feeling first signs of paralysis, so I'm happy that I only had a weak hand. But it's still slightly scary that I had symptoms twice in a week when I didn't have any symptoms of paralysis from July to October. So yeah, that's what's been going on. I also cancelled my hair appointments because I always go to the hairdresser to get my hair washed every week, but it's a 10 minutes walking distance, so I usually just go by myself. But with the snow I can't, so we canceled because it would have been so hard to get me there. So I had to cancel that. And then yeah, last night I just went to bed as soon as I could just because I was so tired. I was exhausted for no reason. But I did get some work done, so pretty happy about that. Today I'm freezing. That's why I'm in my little I don't know how you call that, my little robe, because I'm freezing. So yeah, but I did work kind of a lot, so I'm happy about that. But I wanted to try and boost myself to give me some energy, so I wanted to do the advent calendar. So that's what we're gonna do now, and then I'm gonna try and do some self-care, paint my nails, like do some skincare and stuff like that, just to try and get me in a better mood. Okay, well that's done. I don't even know what day we are. Let's check. It is the 11th today. So let's find the 11th. Oh, it's all the way here. A tiny white bowl of chocolate. Tiny white one. Oh my gosh, it's so hard to get. Ooh, because it's so tiny. But yeah, that's what we get today. And yeah, I'm just gonna do some self-care today because I feel like I really need it. Yeah, so that's what I'm gonna be doing now, and I will catch up with you guys later. Hi, it's been a little while. It's 3 o'clock right now, well 3 p.m. I have this one with me. My mom wants to vacuum and she doesn't like the vacuum, so I just have her with me for a little while. Oh. She's kind of sleepy, so it should go pretty well. But I did absolutely nothing. I was so tired like the whole morning, didn't do anything. I still really haven't done anything, and it's 3 p.m. so I'm gonna start doing some schoolwork that I need to do. And yeah, that's basically what I've been doing. There's not a lot to update actually, but I've just been working and trying to got my shit together and I'm not. So, yay. Hi. I feel like I haven't really moved spot a lot, but I've been working. It's actually Sunday right now. It is 2:22 and 2:22 p.m. obviously because there's still light out. But I haven't really updated anything. I've been battling with so much tiredness. I don't know where it comes from, but I'm just so tired, so fatigued. But I'm battling this and I wanted to give myself some energy to fight through. So I'm gonna do that, and then I have 3 videos to edit for this week, for next week actually. So I'm gonna do that, but first to the advent calendar. So yeah, today's the 12th. I forgot for a second. Let's see if I can find it. Oh, down there. Okay, it's not really bright. It's kind of weird. Ooh. Oh, it's a huge one. I'm not gonna eat it though, but it's fine. It's a black one. I'm not really dark chocolate one, and this one says 60% of cacao, so I'm not even gonna eat it. My bad. That's fine. Hopefully I will have something tomorrow that I can have. Yeah. But today so far has been pretty frustrating for me. I've just been trying my best. I'm just wanting to sleep so bad. But I forgot to film that I how do you call it? Oh my gosh, the brain fog is real. I filled my pill organizer this morning. Forgot to do yesterday. Brushed my puppy, and she did so good. I'm so proud of her for that. So yeah, I did that. What else did I do? I did my homeworks, prepared a presentation for tomorrow. Yeah, I did a few things, but not so much at the same time. But yeah, I'm just gonna continue working. Hi, so for some reason the ending of this video got deleted. I don't know what happened to those footage, but I cannot find them anymore. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. I'm sorry it was kind of boring, but I hope you still enjoyed. If you want to see more, definitely subscribe for more, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!
What a feeling, now it's time for